Hello guys, this is Missy Soul and I feel really tired because I came back from my field trip I talked about previously. So yesterday it was the it was the 24th anniversary of Neighborhood Animals. And this year is also the 25th anniversary of Baby Van Gogh and Baby Santa's Music Box, along with Baby Wordsworth's 20th anniversary and other goes as well. So, what I think about the video? The video is pretty solid to my like, and has some pretty good moments like the Funny the Pound puppet show as list in the in the 2003 onwards DVD menu, and some others like the the Four Puppet Show, etc. Um, I'll give the video a 7 out of 10. So, goodbye. See you in the next video.